The air choked with fumes, rivers ran black with pollution, forests vanished at an alarming rate. Our planet, once vibrant and teeming with life, was fading before our eyes. The very air we breathed, the water we drank, the land that sustained us, all were under threat. We had forgotten our place in the delicate balance of nature. Our actions, driven by consumption and greed, were pushing the earth to its limits. Ice caps melted, sea levels rose, and extreme weather events became the norm. The future looked bleak, but within the human spirit a glimmer of hope remained. Deep down we knew we were capable of better. The instinct to protect our home, to nurture life, began to stir. The challenges were immense. Climate change, driven by our reliance on fossil fuels, was warming the planet at an unprecedented rate. Deforestation, fueled by the demand for timber and agricultural land, was destroying vital carbon sinks and driving countless species to extinction. Pollution, a byproduct of our industrial activities, was poisoning our air, water and soil. Plastic waste was choking our oceans, harming marine life and entering the food chain. These interconnected problems seemed insurmountable, yet amidst the despair, a global awakening was beginning. People from all walks of life, from scientists and activists to everyday citizens, were raising their voices in unison. The message was clear: we needed to act, and we needed to act now. The turning point was not a single event, but a confluence of actions, large and small. It was the farmer in India planting trees, the engineer in Germany designing wind turbines, the child in Brazil urging their family to recycle. Governments and corporations started to take notice. International agreements were signed, committing nations to reduce emissions and invest in renewable energy. Companies began adopting sustainable practices, realizing that a healthy planet was essential for a healthy bottom line. But the most profound change was a shift in consciousness. We began to see ourselves not as separate from nature, but as part of it. We rediscovered the interconnectedness of all living things and the understanding that our own well-being was inextricably linked to the health of the planet. The journey ahead is still long, but for the first time in generations there is a sense of hope. Forests are being restored, renewable energy is replacing fossil fuels, and communities are coming together to find innovative solutions to environmental challenges. The story of how humanity saved nature is still being written. It is a story of courage, determination, and the unwavering belief in our ability to create a better future. The power to shape this future lies within each of us. Let us choose to be the generation that turned the tide, that chose harmony over destruction, and that left behind a legacy of a thriving planet for generations to come.